These prophetic words come from a variety of sources. Please take every word before the Lord for confirmation. G'day, I'm Rachel Milligan and this is FirstFruitTas. I have a message for you. I will be bringing my enemy to their knees in this coming season. Be prepared to end suffering by way of supplication. My offering is plentiful. End the game strong. For I will be waiting with open arms, reward and favour. Fulfillment is your portion. It isn't mine to condemn, my little ones. For my lost sheep are just that, lost and bleating in the wilderness. I wouldn't be found willing to entertain if it wasn't likely to spill over into a long-term relationship. It isn't my way to seek short-lived and fleeting pleasures, but my glory surrounds, buffers and uplifts. Away with indecision. For it is this new thing I bring to your very doorstep. I wouldn't be willing to pour my precious resources down the drain. See this offering for what it is, a symbol of my confidence in your restoration, a blessing in disguise. A likeness to Jesus is found behind the open door. Be willing to step into my destiny as laid out before each step you take. Take time to sit with me and discover how joyful and fulfilling our relationship truly is. I hold up the fly swat to bat away any pesky intrusions from unwelcome characters. For your part, be willing to break with tradition. It is a new thing I am doing and I will break it to you gently. For as the waves lap the shore, I will be doing what is best for you given current circumstances. See, I walk with you in every small thing. Every great endeavour has my hand on it. I will be going forth to multiply my word in this season via my children. It is for my sake they tread into ever-deepening water, reclaiming what is rightfully mine to own. I can hold this only a while longer before it is released into the universe for fulfilment. It is only with recognition of abundance that the source may release the blessings in abundance. For it is my children's unending desire to partner with my will that empowers. Forsaken are those willing to step off the cliff of indecision, but my chosen remnant fills the quota to be restored and honouring my true son's willing nature. In this time of upheaval, it doesn't befit my children to squander time and money, for these are kingdom resources. Be willing, therefore, to come before the triune Godhead regularly in peace, in order that my wisdom may be disseminated in a timely manner. I pray that this video blesses you. Have a beautiful day. God bless. Holy Father, I thank you for placing this video before those you intend to receive it. If this video blessed you, be sure to share, like and subscribe. Financial support is welcome and donations can be made by selecting the link in the details box below this video.